So, welcome to my YouTube channel Math Subgram. So, today we are going to see another question on PDF, probability density function. Let probability density function, let fx, let fx be, let fx be probability density function of a random variable x given by fx is equal to ax square plus bx if x is in this range and 0 else we have. Okay, else we have if ex expectation of x is equal to 1 by 2, then find values of a and b. So let's see solution. So fx is a probability density function pdf. So its integral minus infinity to infinity fx dx is equal to 1. Okay, so let's do it. So I can break this integral 0 to fx dx plus 0 to 1 fx dx plus 1 to infinity fx dx is equal to 1. So f is 0. So this f is 0 minus infinity to 0. So it will become 0. 0 to 1. So ax square plus bx dx. This will also become 0. That is 1. So what will be integral ax cube upon 3 bx square by 2 0 to 1 is equal to 1. So after putting the limit, you will get a by 3 plus b by 2. That's is equal to 1. That's the equation 1. Next, ex is given 1 by 2. But what is the formula for ex? Ex is minus infinity to infinity plus into x fx dx. So that is 1 by 2. Okay. So I can break this integral minus infinity to 0 f x fx dx plus 0 to 1 x fx dx 1 to infinity x fx dx is equal to 1 by. So this is 0 because fx is 0 in this range. This is also 0 and this is 0 to 1 x a x square plus bx dx is equal to 1 by 2. So what will be this? This implies 0 to 1 ax cube bx square dx is equal to 1 by 2. So what I will get ax is 4 upon 4 bx cube upon 3 0 to 1 1 by 2. So what is this? This is a by 4 plus b by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so let's say it 1. So we have two equations a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 1 and it is 1. And second equation we have a by 4 b by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. So multiplying in first by b 1 by 3 and it is 1 by 2. So what we will get? First equation will be 1 upon 9 a by 9 b by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. Let's say it is 3. Second equation will be what? A by 8 plus b by 6 1 by 4. Okay. subtracting 4 from 3, we get what we get. So this will be cancelled out after subtracting a by 9 minus a by 9 by 8, and this is 0 1 by 3 minus 1 upon 4. So what is this? This is will be minus 3 upon 72, and it will be 1 upon 12. So it is a equal to minus 72 upon. So it is a is equal to minus 6. Okay. From 1 we have a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 1. So it will be minus 6 by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 1. So it is minus 2 b by 2 is equal to 1. b by 2 will be 2 plus 1. b will by 2 is equal to 3. b is equal to 6. Finally, a is equal to minus 6 and b is equal to 6. So this is the answer. So today's question up to this. Thank you very much.